Hello beautiful people, today I'm going to show you how to set up Google Analytics on our WordPress website using the best WordPress plugin. So let me show you on my screen. So this is my live domain. I just installed WordPress on here and this is the latest WordPress version on there 2022. So now I'm going to create a e-commerce store because of I focused on e-commerce. I'm now search on Rishi. I want to install a Rishi theme. So I'm on the rishitheme.com website. Now I'm going to the download Rishi theme for free. I put my Gmail, first name, last name. I'm going to the download and our process is completed. And here is the Rishi theme 1.1.6. I'm clicking this Rishi theme. They are downloading. And here is the purchase code. I'm going to the install theme on there. I'm upload manually. I drag and drop this theme. I click the install button. They are successfully installed and I activate this theme and install Rishi companion. So we are successfully installed Rishi theme and I'm going to install a demo data. I active this theme. Starter site, going to starter template. I want to install this. Install successfully completed. They're going to the demo. I want free theme. I want e-commerce demo. And where is the e-commerce? WooCommerce. The head is all WooCommerce free template. They are provide two template. I'm going to the import this template. There are 4 pages only. I import the complete site. They are showing a pop-up and they required some plugin for importing the wall content. You can delete my previous site. No worry about that. My site is blank. Now they are installing contact us form. Contact form 7. Elementor successfully activate contact form 7. And they're importing their data. Elementor also installed successfully and activate successfully done. Now they are installed mega element for Elementor add-ons. They're imported their content. So successfully we have imported our own content and I'm going to the clicking the view site and our site is ready. Our e-commerce site is ready. When I click add to cart button, they are going to add to cart. I'm going to the view cart. These are view cart. I'm going to the proceed to checkout and these are so fast theme. Very lightweight and so fast theme. You can see, yeah, very lightweight. Okay, so now our focus is going to install Google Analytics on this store. I'm going to add a new plugin. I search Google Analytics. At their and this plugin Google Sitekit, there are 2 million installation. I'm going to install this plugin, activate this plugin. So congratulations, the Sitekit plugin now activated. I'm now going to the start setup, connect Google Analytics, sign in Google, and we can sign up with our Google account. I select this account, continue. So first time these are not working actually. I'm now going to again sign in with Google. Then we will sign up by our Google account. Now I'm going to the continue. We select 6. Now we need to verify our ownership, verify. These are our website title. So they are showing turn on metrics in our dashboard. Yes, I allow this. They are prefer going to set up Google Search Console. Also we can set up or cancel. We don't want Google Search Console. Reset Sitekit. The Sitekit is not working actually. I refresh this. So this is Google Sitekit. I check out this privacy policy. Then I'm going to the sign in and clicking this link. Sign up with Google account. There are 6 services. I allow this. Then continue. So our analytics is successfully connected on our site. Now we can create our analytics account from here. Their default create an account. So now I remove some content on there. These are our property name, our website, all view data. Our country is Bangladesh. We can also select our own country on there. Now I can set up United States, Los Angeles. Now I can create an account, and they automatically create an account using this Google account. Create a new analytics account along with default property and view. Check mark this and continue. So our analytics is successfully connected on our site. We need to accept some terms and condition. I accept and success. Go to my dashboard. So successfully we are connected Google Sitekit on our WordPress website. Got it. Congratulations to completing setup Google Analytics. Okay, got it. Now we can gathering data from here. So successfully we are set up our Google Sitekit on our WordPress website and set up Google Analytics on our website, and we will see the data from here, and there is no data right now. That's why showing everything 0, total impression, total click, total visitor of search. And here is we also connect Google Ads, Google AdSense on here, and here is we can check out our website speed, phone and our laptops. For the monetization, we can connect Google AdSense. If your website is blog website and people can read your blog, then we will easily connect our Google AdSense. Now I'm going to the setting, and we will also connect more service, Google AdSense, Google Optimize, Google Tag Manager as well, and Google Search is connected, and display relevant page and admin bar also. So now I'm going to the analytics on there. I'm on this account. I refresh this. So we can see we create a new Google Analytics 4 account from Google Sitekit, and you can see the digital analysis store. And I'm going to the Sitekit, and these are old actually. There's a Sitekit, and they are using two actually. This one for our Universal Analytics, and this one for Google Analytics 4. Right now you can see the measurement data as well. Yeah, these are Google Analytics 4 on there, and these are from Universal Analytics. You can see the ID, property ID, UA, and these are Universal Analytics. And there is already show you sometime Universal Analytics stop data collecting. So right now I'm going to the real-time data. I'm going to the overview, how many people visit our website. Right now they are showing a 0. I'm going to refresh this website and scroll this, and when we see, so right now you can see one user are working. I'm using this one and I'm visiting this website. That's why showing one user connected actually. So now I'm going to again Universal Analytics for checking the real-time data is not working, track or not working. Going to the real-time overview. Yeah, successfully working. Hope this video is helpful. Feel free to like and subscribe this channel. See you in the next video. Bye.